So if you are lucky enough to find a golden ticket, you will be able to enter Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory. We read the story, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and then we miraculously found a golden ticket that enabled us to be able to enter Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory today. Oh, we've got one! Yay! In the book, the newspaper headline is Willy Wonka's going to reopen his factory and there'll be 5 golden tickets, so 5 visitors. But obviously we have more than 5 students in our class, and so you want to make it accessible and you want to build on that play. So all of a sudden there were 14 golden tickets available. You still had that element of needing to be able to find the golden ticket, even though they were all guaranteed to get one. But it just sort of added that element of suspense and be allowed into the chocolate factory. One of the students chose to be Willy Wonka, the character, and so we gave Willy Wonka our golden ticket and we entered our imaginary playworld.
Hand me your golden ticket, tell me your name, and then scan your hand. The gates are open.
To get in, they had to have a golden ticket and they had to tell me their name, and I had to make sure their golden ticket was a proper one, and then I also had to scan their hand for extra approval that they're allowed in.
Means that they then enter that imaginary world quite excited and quite emotionally invested in wanting to get in there and play and be in that factory.
You get to play your own character that you wanted to play, and everyone can be one whatever they want.
I was an Oompa Loompa.
I played Willy Wonka.
I was Augustus Globe. Oompa Loompas that taste all the chocolate to make sure it's all A-okay. I danced and sang just weird songs.
They wanted to take on those, I guess, lesser known roles and lead the play in a different way than just, I want to go in and taste some chocolates, or I want to go in and be an Oompa Loompa.
There was one spy that I managed to kick out and keep out.
And it just adds a different element to the play, which I think it's really good that they feel comfortable to do that. They can actually be anything that they can think of within that play world.
I hope you enjoyed yourselves. The factory is now closing.
No! Thank you. Thanks, Willy Wonka.